How to allow storage permission on Samsung phone. So maybe you've noticed that when you're installing a new app such as Google Chrome, Telegram, or any other one, it may prompt you to allow some storage permissions. So if you misclicked or maybe missed this step, I'm going to show you how you can allow those type of permissions. Let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open your settings and then scroll down till the apps section. After that, just find app in which you need to allow storage permissions. You can just scroll through the list or use this search bar at the top right to manually find an app. For example, I'm going to use Telegram, but you can use any other one, Google Chrome, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to tap on permissions. This is where we can accept or decline essential permissions. So to allow storage permissions, what you're going to do in this specific app is click on music and audio and switch to allow. Then go back, tap on photos and videos, and also tap always allow all, or you can allow limited access. Now you gotta click on the phone and allow that permission as well. Here also allow access to the camera because I guess you won't be able to use Telegram without camera. It's all about like videos, photos, and so on. So allow that permission as well. And permission to the microphone. And that's it. So we just allowed all of the essential storage permission, and now Telegram has access to our storage. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.